أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم يريدون ليطفئوا نور الله بأفواههم والله متم نوره ولو كره الكافرون. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Saff Ayat number 7. In this ayat, Allah tells us that kuffar, mushrikeen, munafiqeen, Yahudu Nasara, these people, they are trying their best to to destroy the Islamic soul from the Muslims. Like they are trying their best to eradicate, eliminate Islamic rules, regulations, Islamic theme and Islamic faith with their tactics through their print media, social media, electronic media. So they're trying to destroy it as much as they can, but they will not be in a position to do that, because Allah will have to fulfill and make it perfect Islamic rules, regulations to be implemented in the whole world. So this will be possible because Allah will have to make it perfect soon. So this is a message that we got in this ayat. We read this one. So Allah said, Yuriduna. Yuriduna mean they want, they intend. So they mean Kuffar, Mushrikeen, Munafiqeen, Yahudu, Nasara, all of them who are the enemies of the Islam. So they want. Yuriduna, they want, they intend. Liyutfi'u, to put out, to extinguish. Nur Allahi, the light of Allah. So they intend to put out the light of Allah. Bi afwahihim, with their mouth. Wallahu, and Allah mutimmu, and Allah is to make perfection of His light. Wallahu mutimmu nurehi. Wallahu, and Allah mutimmu mean is to make it in perfection. So nurehi, His own light. So Allah will perfect His light. Walau karihal kafirun, and even if it is disliked by the believers, or if it displeases the disbelievers, so Allah will have to do it to make His light in full perfection throughout the world. So this will happen. So this way Allah said in this ayat, Yuriduna liyutfi'u nur Allahi bi afwahihim wallahu mutimmu nurihi walau karihal kafirun. So they intend to extinguish, to put out the light of Allah with their mouths. But Allah will perfect His light. And even if it is disliked by the disbelievers, so Allah will have to do it. So the nur, Allah's light, what is that? So that is Holy Qur'an, Islam, Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So all this is called Allah's light. So Allah's light, they are trying to bring the Muslims to be away from Holy Quran, away from Holy Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and away from the Islam. So they are trying their best, but Allah will have to make it in full perfection soon. So these enemies of Islam, they are trying their best to eradicate, to eliminate Islamic faith from the Muslims' mind, Muslims' world. So they are trying their best, but they will not be successful. Even if you look Look at the time of conquest of Makkah. So two tribes, they were thinking that they are very strong and they will destroy Islam completely from the whole world. So in Arab, there were two tribes. One was tribe Saqif and one was tribe Hawazin. So these two tribes, they tried their best to destroy Islam. They have done a battle with the Muslims, but they were defeated sorely. Then one person who was Christian, his name was Amir. He was living in Medina, and then what happened? He became a Christian priest. He has set up his relationship with Romans, and he excited them to attack on the Muslims, and he persuaded the Munafiqeen to make one place for his activities and called that one a mosque. We call it Mosque Doror. But this was destroyed by Holy Prophet ﷺ, because Allah sent down message to Holy Prophet ﷺ that this mosque is being built by Munafiqeen in order to destroy Islamic faith. So this way, when Holy Prophet ﷺ, he got message through Jibreel alayhi salam, then he ordered to demolish it. Then this masjid was demolished in Medina. So this way, then this person who was Amir priest, and he went then to Rome and to invite the king of Rome to attack on the Muslims. And as a result of that, this Ghazwa Tabuk was happened. And Holy Prophet ﷺ, he called the people. So Muslims, they went with in the leadership of Holy Prophet ﷺ. So they went to fight with the Christians in Tabuk. So, and it was expected that from Tabuk, about 200,000 army of the Christians, they are coming to fight with the Muslims. Holy Prophet ﷺ with his companions, they waited there, but they never came. So this way, Holy Prophet ﷺ, he came back without fighting. So this was they tried their best to put out, extinguish the light of Allah, but they were unsuccessful. So you can see in this ayat, يُرِيدُونَ لِيُطْفِئُوا نُورَ اللَّهِ بِأَفْوَاهِهِمْ. So Allah said these people, they try to extinguish the light of Allah with their mouth. They want to extinguish it. So what is through mouth? They try to produce different type of doubts in the Muslims' faith, so that there should be more sects, and when there are more sects, then they try to pay some money to some of them to have a little bit in between fighting or some type of disturbance within the Muslims, so that they want that they should not be united. So this way they should be divided into sect, and their unity should be destroyed completely, and they are trying their best. So this is the situation which is happening, as Allah said. But Allah said, Wallahu mutimmu, and Allah is going to complete, Allah is going to make perfection Noorihi, his own Noor. His own Noor mean his Allah's the religion Islam. So it will be coming in full swing in future. So Allah will have to do it, even if those people, they are trying to put out it, but they will be unsuccessful. They tried their best to make many Muslim countries very weak, with financially or with with defensive way or something. They're trying to make them more weak in the Islamic world, Islamic countries. So, but they will not reach to the soul of the Muslims where Islam is there. So their weapons are from they have materialistic people, but Islam is from the soul. It is reaching in the soul. So they have no any weapon that will reach to the soul of the people. So this way they will be unable to do it. Even they have written so many books, and they have talked a lot in different ways. So like they have done so many through movies, through cartoons, through their social media. So different ways they have trying their best, but they are unsuccessful, because wallahu mutimmu nurihi, and Allah is going to make perfection of his nur. It is coming in soon. So this way Allah said, these kuffar, mushrikeen, munafiqeen, with the help of shayateen, even Yahud or Nasara, what they are trying to eliminate Islamic faith, so they will be unsuccessful. They will not be successful in doing it. So Allah will bring his nur, his this Islamic faith, it to be implemented throughout the world. So soon it will happen. Even walau karihal kafirun, even these disbelievers, if they dislike it, if they hate it, whatever they do, but Allah will make Islamic rules, regulations to be implemented through the world, and Islamic world will be more strong, that is coming into action in future. So according to this ayat, so inshallah it will happen soon, inshallah.